This guide will help you navigate the process of requesting payouts on Revolut in 2026. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once you are in the app, look for the Payouts section. This is usually found in the main menu or under the Payments tab. Step 3. Select the recipient. Choose the recipient you want to send money to. You can either select a contact from your list or enter the recipient's details manually. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to pay out. Ensure that you have sufficient balance in your account to cover the transaction. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review the details of your payout, including the recipient and amount. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to send the payout. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Revolut. If you have any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support for assistance.